And welcome back. So we started off with mostly cloudy skies, still stayed mainly dry across the region. As we made our way through the late morning into afternoon, we had decreasing clouds. Now we are mostly sunny out there, and temperatures really did start to rise with the sunshine and that southeasterly wind around 10 miles per hour. We're currently at 84 degrees at North Platte, and the dew point is at 48 degrees, so just a little bit of moisture in the atmosphere because of the easterly component to the winds. Temperatures across the region look like this. We are into the lower 80s out toward Broken Bow and Lexington. The cool spot at Thedford at 79, Valentine at 83, and low to mid 80s from Ogallala and down toward Imperial. Here's the wind still for like the third or fourth day in a row from a southeasterly direction. Still a little breezy out there, 10 to 20 miles per hour. That southerly flow really keeping us on the warm side. Temperatures well above average for this time of year. So mainly clear skies, lots of sunshine across the core of our viewing area, maybe a few clouds out toward Valentine and off to the west of Ogallala, but most of the moisture is now getting into the panhandle. This is one of those scenarios where this looks like it's going to dry up before it gets to us. That frontal boundary eventually will be here, but we'll have to wait until Sunday before we have our first real chance of some moisture. So we got post-tropical cyclone Ian right here battling against these features, which is the reason why these lows and this front really can't move off to the east that quickly. So we're going to stay with sunshine and warm air for one more day here in central Nebraska before this system back here gets in and gives us a chance of some rain. So we're going to keep partly cloudy to mostly clear skies. Temperatures falling back through the 60s this evening into the 50s overnight. You see the rain in the panhandle has dissipated. We'll do that again for one more day with lots of sunshine, strong winds from the south getting us into the mid 80s with most of the shower and thunderstorm activity missing us into our western counties. But as we go through the day on Sunday, we keep mostly cloudy skies. That southerly wind still enough to get us into the lower 80s, and Sunday night is when we have our chance of some showers and maybe a rumble of thunder. So let's take a look at Ian. I said it was a post-tropical cyclone right now. It really ripped apart as it hit land once again this afternoon by Charleston, South Carolina. Now moving up just off to the west of Wilmington, North Carolina, and as you can see, most of the moisture off to the north. Still 70-mile-per-hour winds, but that'll dissipate very quickly as it moves off to the north around 15 miles per hour. And it's about 40 miles per hour in terms of wind by early tomorrow morning. And then by the afternoon, really starting to dissipate around the Roanoke area. So lots of moisture from this system will make its way into the Midwest and into the Northeast, but not really considered a tropical cyclone anymore. It is now just a regular low. So it's going to fight the systems that are over us, but eventually this whole thing is going to move off to the east and we'll get back to our typical weather pattern. Let's take a look at that 7-day forecast. So here's what to expect as we go through the next couple of days. Mostly sunny, high of 86 tomorrow, windy the next couple of days with rain chances lasting Sunday through Tuesday as temperatures fall from the lower 80s back into the lower 70s. Wednesday and Thursday look mostly sunny, but cooler air filters in. Lower 70s Wednesday, mid 60s on Thursday. And for Friday, we've got another chance of some showers, otherwise partly cloudy, more seasonal temperatures as we get back into the lower 60s. Kent?
Very, very warm tomorrow for this time of year.
Yeah, really warm, but it'll feel like fall as we start the next week.
Yeah, I won't complain too much. So thanks so much, Justin. It's an annual event, and it gets bigger and tastier each year. It's the Backyard Barbecue at North Platte High, and it's happening now. We are live there now. If only we had smell-o-vision. Let's check out the event. News 2's Ian Mason is standing by. Ian?